Homo sapiens, the story of us. What does it mean to be human? This question has fascinated philosophers, scientists, and storytellers for centuries. At the heart of the answer lies Homo sapiens, the species to which every person on Earth belongs. Emerging roughly 300,000 years ago in Africa, Homo sapiens are not the strongest animals, nor the fastest, nor the most physically resilient. Yet somehow, they came to dominate every continent, reshape ecosystems, and even step beyond the boundaries of their planet. The story of Homo sapiens begins in prehistoric Africa, where early humans lived as hunter-gatherers. These small, mobile groups depended on cooperation for survival. Unlike many other species, Homo sapiens developed highly sophisticated communication skills. Language, even in its earliest forms, allowed individuals to share knowledge, plan hunts, and build complex social structures. Over time, this ability became one of humanity's most powerful tools. But language alone does not explain human success. Another crucial factor was imagination. Humans began to create stories about gods, spirits, ancestors, and unseen forces. These shared beliefs allowed large groups of people, even strangers, to cooperate effectively. A tribe, a nation, or even a global economy depends on shared ideas that exist only in the human mind. Money, laws, and institutions are all examples of what some historians call imagined realities. Around 70,000 years ago, a significant transformation known as the cognitive revolution occurred. During this period, Homo sapiens began to produce art, tools, and cultural expressions at an unprecedented level. Cave paintings in places like Lascaux and Altamira reveal not only technical skill but also symbolic thinking. These images suggest that early humans were not just surviving, they were interpreting and expressing their world. The next major turning point came about 12,000 years ago with the agricultural revolution. Instead of moving constantly in search of food, humans began to settle and cultivate crops. This shift allowed populations to grow rapidly. Villages became towns, and towns evolved into cities. However, this new way of life also introduced challenges. Disease spread more easily, social hierarchies developed, and individuals often worked harder than their hunter-gatherer ancestors. Despite these difficulties, agriculture laid the foundation for civilization. Writing systems emerged, enabling humans to record knowledge and history. Complex political systems formed, from ancient kingdoms to modern nation-states. Over thousands of years, Homo sapiens continued to innovate, developing science, philosophy, art, and technology. One of the most remarkable aspects of Homo sapiens is their adaptability. Humans have survived in deserts, forests, mountains, and even the frozen Arctic. This adaptability is not primarily physical but cultural. Humans can invent clothing, build shelters, and develop tools suited to almost any environment. This flexibility has allowed them to spread across the globe, from the savannas of Africa to the islands of the Pacific. Yet the success of Homo sapiens has come at a cost. As humans expanded, they often displaced other species, including other human relatives such as Neanderthals. Many large animals went extinct after humans arrived in new regions. Today, human activity continues to reshape the planet on a massive scale, raising questions about sustainability and responsibility. In the modern era, Homo sapiens have reached an unprecedented level of technological advancement. From the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, humans have transformed how they live, work, and communicate. The invention of the Internet, artificial intelligence, and space exploration has expanded the boundaries of human possibility. However, these achievements also bring new challenges. Climate change, global inequality, and ethical dilemmas in science and technology require careful thought and cooperation. The same qualities that allowed Homo sapiens to thrive, imagination, communication, and collaboration, will be essential in addressing these issues. Ultimately, the story of Homo sapiens is still being written. We are both the authors and the subjects of our own history. Our past reveals a species capable of incredible creativity and resilience. Our future will depend on how wisely we use these abilities. In understanding Homo sapiens, we are, in a sense, trying to understand ourselves.